Ever wondered what speed looked like before technology took over? This is a 1990s 250cc motorcycle, raw, loud, and built for the open road. And today, I'm bringing it back to life with nothing but pencil and paper. From the steel frame to the thick tires and vintage fuel tank, every line is a tribute to classic design. No color, no effects, just pure sketching like the bike itself. Simple, tough, and unforgettable. As the engine takes shape on paper, feel the nostalgia of a time when bikes had soul. This isn't just a drawing, it's a ride through time. So if you're into art, engines, or pure 90s energy, hit like, subscribe, and let the pencil ride.